Welcome! If you want to send a photo to your friend on Snapchat and keep up with the latest app updates, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps to share your favorite moments straight from your camera roll with any friend on Snapchat. First, open up the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your Snap code, friends, and other account details. Next, tap on My Friends. This brings up a list of everyone you've added on Snapchat. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the friend you want to send your photo to. Once you spot their name, tap on it to open your chat with them. Now, at the bottom of the chat screen, you'll see a small gallery or photo icon. Tap that icon. It opens your device's photo gallery, letting you browse all your saved pictures. Take a moment to find the photo you want to share. Once you've chosen the perfect image, tap on it. Before sending, you can add a caption, stickers, or draw on the photo if you want to make it extra special. When you're ready, just tap the send button. Your friend will receive the photo instantly in their chat, and you'll see a confirmation that it's been delivered. That's all it takes. With these steps, you can easily send any photo from your gallery to your friends on Snapchat, keeping your conversations fun and personal. Thanks for watching and enjoy snapping.